Hello, my name is Daniel King, and I am a college student who wants to learn more about poker hands because I was invited to play poker with my friends tomorrow. And I never played poker before, so I figured I have to learn what the poker hands are if I want to start tomorrow. And so I ended up coming to this website, Poker Hands 101, a website dedicated to teach future poker players the 10 different poker hands and their hierarchy. And I have two options of doing start tutorial and start quiz. I have no idea what the poker hands are, so I'm gonna go to start tutorial. And also this nav bar at the top must also do the same thing, as in this home button should take me back, okay, home screen. Tutorial should take, okay, and the quiz, okay. So tutorial, the first thing I notice is there are 10 of these things, and these look like the exact same or very similar to the buttons in the home page, which took me to the tutorial page. So these must be all buttons. And there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 of them, and if I remember correctly, yep, he said there's 10 different poker hands, so these must be all poker hands. Okay, and this is highlighted, so this must be the poker hand that I am studying or I'm looking at right now. And yes, that's the high card. And I see 5 cards. And okay, this new example changes the cards over here. Okay, and every time there's 5, so I'm gonna guess that in poker, each hand has 5 cards. It says chance 50.12%. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but I'm gonna assume that means there's out of all the poker hands possible, 50.12% are high card, or another way looking at it is a chance of me getting the high card when I'm playing the game is 50.12%. This is the lowest hand. Okay, a little more than half of them are the lowest hand. Will make sense. Basically nothing. If a hand does not belong to any of the higher ranks, it automatically becomes a high card hand. Okay, so if it's not any of these 9, it's going to be a high card hand. Okay, it looks like. Let's move on, and then maybe I can come back at the end of this tutorial to get a better understanding of what that means. We have a pair now. There's 2 that are red bordered. Okay, chance 42.26%. 2 of the same rank. Okay, high card was, I believe, yep, higher. So the percentage is getting lower. So this must be more rare than the high card. And there's 2 of the same thing. Okay, so just 2 cards with the same rank. 2 pairs, 2 different pairs of different ranks. Chance 4.75% is significantly more rare. Like around there's okay, the chance of getting a 2 pair is like 10% of a pair. And I believe these 2 are together and these 2 are together because these 2 have the same color border and these 2 does. And this one just does not seem important, so I guess I'm not going to pay attention to that. So there's 2 of these and 2 of these. Okay, and they can be in any order. 3 of the kind, 3 of the same rank. Okay, chance is it's like half of 2 pairs, and it looks like okay, just I think it's pretty self-explanatory from the name. There's 3 of 5, 3 of aces. Okay, and these 2 must not matter because there's nothing around them. Straight, 5 cards of the sequential rank. Well, no, we have less than 1% chance of getting this. Having 2 to the 4 sequential rank has no value. Okay, ace is a unique card that can be the highest or the lowest rank. Okay, 5 cards of the sequential rank. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and just like how cards go, Jack, Queen, King usually whenever you play other card games. 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, it's just like BS, when you got to go up one rank at a time, and I guess Jack, Queen, King just serves as 11, 12, 13 in terms of sequential rank. Okay, next we have a flush. 5 cards of the same suit, so okay. The chance is still lower than 1%, and I believe it's lower than the one before because it's keep decreasing. Yes, it is, so it's even more rare to get this. Having 2 to 4 of the same suit does not have any meaning. Okay, so yeah, all 5 has to be the same suit. All diamonds, all spades. Okay, full house. Combination of 3 of a kind and a pair. 3 of a kind, which is this right here, 3 of the same rank, and a pair, which is 2 of the same rank. Okay, so 3 of a kind was 3 of the same thing, which must be these red bordered cards. Okay, there's 3 of them. And a pair. Okay, 3, pair. 3, pair. Okay. 4 of a kind. For all of the cards of the same rank. Okay, there's 4 cards of the same rank in every deck, so okay, so it's all of them. There's 4 of them, and this card must not matter because it's not highlighted. Okay, and the chance is getting really low. Straight flush. 5 cards of the sequential rank and suit. Straight, 5 cards of the sequential rank, flush, 5 cards of the same suit. What does that mean? Oh, because it's called straight flush. Okay, so there is a straight, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's also a flush because they're all hearts. And yeah, okay, so we have 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, and they're all clubs. Okay. 5 cards of the same suit and the highest possible sequential rank, a subset of straight flush. Ranks must be 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. So it's a straight and a flush. So it is a straight flush, except it has to be the highest one, I guess. Okay. Royal flush. Does that mean just Jack, Queen, King must be in there? I mean, Jack, Queen, King is in there. No, but I think you must have 10 and Ace. So yeah, so it can't just be you have a Jack, Queen, King, or the Royal cards. You need to have all. You need to have all 5. Yep, they're there every time. Okay, so here it says to quiz. I'm gonna go review what the high card was one last time because okay, high card, lowest hand. Okay, it's the lowest one. Basically nothing. If a hand does not belong to any of the higher ranks, it automatically becomes a high card hand. Okay, so basically if it isn't any of these 9, it is a high card hand. Alright, Royal Flush to the quiz. Number 1, who wins? Player 1 or player 2? Player 1 seems to have, there's 3 of these, and I think that's a pair, and if I remember correctly, a 3 of a kind beats a pair. Okay, and this is a straight flush, right? There's a straight here and a flush. Oh, no, I forgot. If it's the highest one, it becomes a royal flush. Now we have a flush here, I believe. Is that a straight? Nope, there is no 9 or 7 or queen. They're not connected. And this is a pair, and a flush beats a pair. And this is a flush, found the same thing. And this is a flush, and this is a royal flush. So royal flush beats a flush. And this is a 4 of a kind. And 4 of a kind is player 2, and I believe this is nothing. So 4 of a kind should win. And I believe this is high card, right? I don't really see anything here. There's no flush here. Oh, ace can count as also the lowest card. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is also straight. 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and this is a royal flush. Oh, looks like I finished the quiz. Quiz result, 8 out of 10 correct. And oh, these must be the 2 questions that I missed and the answers to them. One is royal flush, yes, I did miss that, and the other one was a straight. So if I press on this, okay, it takes me straight to the page, which is convenient. Okay. Okay, retake quiz. Anyway, that was Poker Hand 101, a site to teach you how to start your journey as the next professional poker player. Thank you.